How good is your Spanish? Today, you'll test your knowledge with real Mexican words. If you get half right, you can travel to Mexico. If you passed, you're ready for Mexico. Let's begin. How do you say taco?
Taco,
How do you say airport?
aeropuerto,
How do you say beer?
cerveza,
How do you say street?
calle,
How do you say money?
dinero,
How do you say dude?
güey,
How do you say water?
agua,
How do you say market?
mercado,
How do you say ticket?
boleto,
How do you say cool?
chido,
How do you say hotel?
hotel,
How do you say friend?
amigo,
How do you say food?
comida,
How do you say spicy?
picante,
How do you say cash?
efectivo,
How do you say bus?
autobús,
How do you say police?
policía,
How do you say really?
neta,
How do you say tortilla?
tortilla,
How do you say price?
precio,
How do you say subway?
metro,
How do you say rice?
arroz,
How do you say chicken?
pollo,
How do you say room?
habitación,
How do you say cheap?
barato,
How do you say little?
poquito,
How do you say open?
Abierto.
How do you say store?
Tienda.
How do you say sauce?
Salsa.
How do you say passport?
Pasaporte.
How do you say luggage?
Equipaje.
How do you say how much?
¿Cuánto?
How do you say beer slang?
Chela.
How do you say bathroom?
Baño.
How do you say taxi?
Taxi.
How do you say expensive?
Caro.
How do you say where?
¿Dónde?
How do you say please?
Por favor.
How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
How do you say reservation?
Reservación.
How do you say right now?
Ahorita.
How do you say help?
Ayuda.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say street stand?
Puesto.
How do you say closed?
Cerrado.
How do you say flight?
Vuelo.
How do you say I want?
Quiero.
How do you say I need?
Necesito.
How do you say change?
Cambio.
How do you say shower?
Ducha.
How do you say quesadilla?
Quesadilla.
How do you say bar?
Cantina.
How do you say turn?
Girar.
How do you say left?
Izquierda.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say driver?
Conductor.
How do you say menu?
Menú.
How do you say waiter?
Mesero.
How do you say tip?
Propina.
How do you say bill?
Cuenta.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.